Good morning. Today I am going to explain about the process for fetching the research papers based on the user specified query. And in this project, we will fetch the research papers based on the query, and the outputs will be saved to the CSV file. And the papers should be fetched from the PubMed API. The query which will be given should be fetched from the PubMed API, and the result is saved to the CSV file with some specific columns such as the PubMed ID. This is unique for every paper, and the title, publication, date, affiliation, and some other columns. Okay, now for this we have to open the command prompt and type through the command prompt we have to navigate to the Jupyter notebook. For that we have to type this command. This command will navigate us to Jupyter notebook. Now Jupyter notebook is open. First of all, before the execution, I will show you the project directory or the structure, how you should structure the files. This is our project directory, research paper fetching. This is okay. Now open this research paper fetching folder. Inside this folder, we have the subfolder as the data and the data. We have to create the subfolder data, and this environment folder will be automatically created when we execute this code. And the notebooks folder and src is not necessary. Okay, inside the data folder we have to create here output.csv file, and inside the notebooks folder we need to create the uh, .ipynb file. For that I have given the name fetch paper .ipynb, and we need not to create the output.csv file here. This will be automatically created when we execute this fetch paper.ipynb file. This will be automatically created, so don't create output.csv here. It will be created automatically, and that's it. Okay, now we have to run the fetchpaper.ipynb file. So open this file, execute the cell one by one. For execution, we know click shift enter, automatically will be executing this. And you need not to execute the last one because this is the documentation. That's it, readme file I will have created here. That's it. So the outputs, we can see the output is saved to the output.csv file, and in that the papers that are related to pharma or biotech are 1, and the remaining 9 papers are other than the pharma or biotech papers. Now let us open the output.csv file and check whether they are saved into this or not. Refresh it. Yes, we can see the output is saved in this. Okay, only one paper is related to the pharma or biotech, and remaining 9 papers are other than the pharma or biotech. Okay, now we'll change the query and check whether the output is changed or not. Okay, here we have given the query as a thumbprint prediction. Let us change this thumbprint prediction to lung cancer and run this again. Yes. Now the output is saved to the output.csv file, and now for related the papers related to pharma or biotech are 4 papers, and the remaining 6 are other than the pharma or biotech papers. Now let us see the output.csv file, whether the output is changed or not. We have to refresh it every time when we change the query. So refresh it. Yes, it was changed. You can see the titles that lung cancer here related to lung diseases, this will be given. Okay. Okay, now we have seen the execution in the Jupyter notebook. Now the main part is we need the output. When we execute the commands in the command prompt, we have to the output should be displayed in the .csv file. Through the command prompt, the output should be displayed, right? Okay. Further, first of all, we have to download this Jupyter notebook file, that is .ipynb file, into .c .py file. We have to download and save it as a .py file. Okay. Further, go to the file, and you can see here save and export notebook. Okay, in that we have to we need to save this as a .py file, right? Because we can't directly fetch the .ipynb file into the command prompt, so we have to save it as a .py file and fetch into the command prompt. So for that, we can see here executable script. If you click on this, the .ipynb file will be downloaded and saved as a .py file in the files in the folder. Okay, I have already saved this, uh, downloaded and saved it, so I'm not going to do it again. So I'm going to open this in the downloads. In the downloads, you can see this fetch paper. This is the Tony means Python. That is a .py file. I can open this. Wait. This is a code that is in the fetch paper.py. Okay, you can see here fetch paper.py. That's it. Now open the command prompt. Now our .py file is in the download folders, right? So we have to navigate change the directory to the downloads folder. For that, for changing the directory to the downloads folder, we have to type this command so that we can change our directory. Cd space. I'm sorry, here percentage should be. Right now, the directory will be changed to the downloads. No, but why? I'm sorry, we have to open the command prompt, right? So this is the PowerShell, so we have to open this. Wait. Remove this. Type here. Make sure you are not running it on the PowerShell. You have to run this in the command prompt. Now the directory is changed to the downloads, right? After changing the directory, now we have to pass the commands and check whether the output is fetched or not. Okay, first of all we'll pass this command python. This is the file name, that is fetchpaper.py. This is here whatever the name we have given for the python file we have to say give here. And this is the query. Now I'm giving the query as the cancer therapy. Now these the papers related to the cancer therapy are saved into the CSV file. Okay, let's check whether the output is, yes, we got it. Results are saved to the output.csv file and related to biotech or pharma 4 papers and the others are 6 papers. Now let us see the output. Okay, how to see the output? Just minimize it. Here, this is the in the downloads folder itself output will be created. You need not to create it. When you execute the command, this will be created automatically. Open this. Yes, related to this the output is displayed here. Titles, you can see this, right? Okay, now let us pass one more command. And for the if we give -h, this command is used to give some help or for user guidance. This is used for user guidance. Just run it. You can see here some options and this, and you can also run one more command, that is -h. For debugging we can also have one more command, that is cancer therapy space -d. This is one more command. This is used for debugging. Debug enabled. I think so something error is occur. Here debug mode has enabled. Okay, this is not working because the error is raised because the output here we have opened the Excel sheet, right? We have to close it and run this. Once again we'll run this. Yes, we got it. Make sure whenever you run the command, the output that is saved in the Excel should be closed for every time. Whenever you run the command for the second time, you should close it. Okay, now let us change the query. Here we have the cancer therapy, right? Let us change this cancer therapy as eyesight. Now run this. Yes, we got it. Now related to pharma or biotech, we have 3 and the other the 7. Let us open that and check it. Open this. Yes, relate. Here we can see. Wait. Mm. This is related to eyesight prediction. You can observe the titles so that you can see whether the output was changed or not. Okay, now close this and open this command prompt again. You can also pass -f. This is used for used for saving by using the file path. Same this command. Here we have to give -f path to that folder. This is the path for output.csv file. Now you can see. Yes, we got it. You can simply give Python fetch paper.py eyesight detection. Even in this will also save it, or else we can also give the file path. This will also give the same result, no issue. Okay, these are the 4 commands we can pass in this program. That is, -d is used for debugging, and -h is used for help and user guidance, and this is used for -f is used for saving the file into the CSV, saving the results to the CSV file. Okay, and this is the overall project. Okay, thank you for listening to my class.